Hi all, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to prepare a carrot halwa. So for this you need carrot, finely shredded carrot. So I have taken 250 grams of carrot. So let's start the process. Now first thing is I have heated the pan, and now I'm going to add some ghee in this pan. And I'm going to keep the flame in sim. I'm going to cook it. I'm going to add some raisins. I'm going to add some cashew nuts. Now just saute it. So now you can see the raisins are popping up like balloons. And also let the cashew nuts cook till they get this light brown color. Now the cashew nuts have turned light brown, and now you need to add these 2 cups of carrot. I need to saute it, mix it well. So you need to cook this carrot until it becomes a light orange in color. It changes its color, and until all the water is absorbed. So all the water in this carrot gets evaporated in this process. So the color changes to light orange. So you need to just wait until this color changes to light orange. Keep the flame to medium. So as you can see, the color of the carrot has turned to light orange. So now you need to add 2 cups of milk. For 2 cups of carrot you need to add 2 cups of milk. So now you need to cook this carrot in the milk until all the milk is absorbed by the carrot. So this takes some time for the carrot to cook, so you have to wait until all the milk is absorbed. So now you can see that all the milk is absorbed by the carrot and the carrot is cooked. So you need to cook this carrot in the milk, keeping the flame in medium. So when you're adding milk to the carrot, you should add a very thick milk to cook this carrot. So thick milk is very good for cooking a carrot halwa. You get a very good halwa out of this. So always look for a thick milk. So now you need to add some sugar to this halwa. So when you're adding sugar, please check that you don't add too much of sugar, otherwise the carrot halwa will become very sweet and you may not be able to enjoy the carrot halwa. So always check for the sugar requirement, how much sugar is required as per your taste. So after adding sugar, you need to add some cardamom powder. And again mix it good. So after adding sugar and cardamom powder to this carrot halwa, cook this for another 5 minutes in a sim. Keep the flame in sim. So now the carrot halwa is ready and it has come out really good. It's ready to serve. So guys, if you like this video, click the like button and do subscribe to my channel. So goodbye for now and see you in another video. Try out this recipe at your home. It is very simple and easy. That's all for today. Bye.